So we have lab subscribing here to my page. They want to be on the video. We did the. Can we the upside filming? Can we like turn it?
No.
Oh, damn it.
It's not quite how it works.
That's not how it works. Yeah. So we got the bicycle repair here, and we got the whole family assisting. It's moral assistance. It's
Now we
only
got dinner cooking.
dinner's cooking.
Some rice, canning.
And we got the trick bike.
Trick.
Trick.
The
The real trick. It's not. It's original.
carbon.
Yeah.
Sir, it's carbon.
It's carbon.
Carbon.
It's carbon. Say, what's your name? What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Berlin.
What's your name?
Once.
What's your name?
Carl.
What's your name? What's your name? Very good.
Oh,
The whole family. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. So, we're here live in the Philippines witnessing a truly life-changing moment.
the bottom bracket is a renewed. The
Oh,
bike can continue its life.
it's working now. Next time I have a problem, I bring it to you. You make repair.
How long your last bottom bracket lasts? Huh? How long you have your old bottom bracket for?
Since 2022.
Wait, so new.
How long?
The 1 year.
1 year.
And it's broken already.
Oh, you have to change it every year.
That's what happens when you pay 300 peso for a bottom bracket.
It's only 300, right? Yeah, but the Shimano one is only 15 euros something. Yeah, the BSA. It's so cheap, incredibly cheap. And I change it in a heartbeat. You go to the bike
and
shop.
it lasts like 10 years.
Yeah. Well, it lasted me only 4 years or something.
Really? How many Ks?
15,000.
Whoa, that's a lot of Ks.
Yeah.
I've done like 7K on mine so far.
Yeah. And then it got wobbly, and I had to change it.
Oh, maybe I need to change mine now that it's wobbly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you fixed my bottom bracket?
I buy a new one.
No, but mine needs to be, 2,000 peso, not 300. Because I do a lot of kilometers.
Oh, it's probably 1K.
1K?
1K,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, 1K, yeah. Probably.
A whole family reunion.
But it needs like the weird tools to press fit, no?
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.